On occasion, Home Power Systems customers can be skeptical by the promise of a one-day installation, but they soon realize that's just the first promise delivered during their successful relationship with Home Power Systems.
So what's great about being an execution-based company is the installation and the one-day installation. We just received an email this morning from a customer that we did an install for yesterday, and he was extremely pleased that we did everything that we said we were going to do. Now, it sounds funny, but in today's world where people make promises and they don't deliver, it was very, very exciting for him that we really did it. We got there on time, we immediately went to work, we didn't take any breaks when we did the installation, everything was done by 3:30 or 4 o'clock, and everything was done exactly per the expectations that we gave him. So again, that is what we pride ourselves in here at Home Power Systems, is to make sure that we deliver exactly what we say that we're going to do.